In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. I am Abdul Basit, and you are watching Royce TV. So, today I am going to discuss about Karachi problem. Talk, we talk with Shah Rukh Siddiqui. So, Shah Rukh, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So, Shah Rukh, please tell me what problem in Karachi? Basically, many problem and a lots of problem in Karachi. I ask you. So, what problem in Karachi basically face in Karachi people? So, please tell.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Uh, Thank you for asking me this question and thank you for inviting me. Since we are living in Karachi and Karachi is facing some problems that aren't changing at all, that aren't solving at all, like the problem of transportation. I have been watching this problem since 2000, 2006, when I used to go to school. Then there's a problem of water shortage, and further there's a problem of inflammation. Since Karachi is a mega city, the population of Karachi is around 30 million. So, and that is 3 crore or more than 2.5 crore. So for that capacity you need proper transportation. But if we see throughout the city, the buses, the public transport isn't enough to fulfill the capacity or fulfill the need of the population of Karachi. And government is trying to solve this problem, but until now we haven't seen any such step that might solve this problem. And there were some, you can say, temporary solutions, like we had in 2012 2013 we had a UTS bus, and after that we are going to have metro here. There's a metro bridge in front of our house also, but we were watching that since 2016 it has been built, and the work is in progress until now. But I don't think it is going to be completely complete until, like, next for next 2 or 3 years. So I don't think the transportation problem is going to be solved, since, for me, that is my opinion, government is not serious until now. Further, there's one more thing, that is water shortage. Mm. And K electric, the electricity problem. I'm not mentioning K electric, but still, since there is only one electric distribution company in Karachi, that is K electric. So in Karachi there's a monopoly of K electric. They can do anything whatever they want. They are charging the customers as per their uh, wishes, as per their demand, and no one can go against them because they have no competitor at all. Further, the water shortage. Pakistan, Karachi has sea view. Lord's Karachi, the port, is the biggest port, you can say, of Pakistan, one of the biggest port of Pakistan. But still, due to some reason, there is anchor mafia, Karachi is not getting enough water. So these are the problems, Karachi.
Sorry to say, sir, I am asked question you. So, government of Sindh and Pakistan and government of Pakistan, government of Sindh and government of Pakistan, how is solving problem in Karachi? So, such as transport problem. So, don't care, government don't care this solving problem, but why? And the main problem in Karachi, water sewage problem and load shedding problem, but government not solving this problem. So what reason, sir? So please tell about audience.
Thank you for asking that question. uh, I want to discuss your question, or I want to answer your question in two steps. The first step will be you asked about why the problem of water and sewerage isn't solving by government. Actually, I think there's a bigger picture. There's a big picture for that. Since we have different governments in Sindh, if you go for the provincial level, the whole Sindh, we have Pakistan People's Party, and in only in Karachi we have PTI at the moment, and before them there was MQM. So there's like a clash of interests between these two parties. PP is not going to solve the problem of Karachiites since they consider themselves separate from Karachi. Na? Karachi isn't giving them any vote. There's no vote bank for Pakistan People's Party in Karachi. So for me, they are not taking this issue seriously.
So
But
you ask government of Sindh not serious in Karachi because not voting bank in Karachi. So previous government in MKM Pakistan in Karachi. So since many years, almost 30 years, government of MQM Pakistan MQM in Karachi. So like solving your problem in Karachi.
you didn't let me complete my answer. Uh, since Sindh is in Sindh, People's Party is ruling in all the rural areas and in urban, like in Karachi, most in Hyderabad, Karachi and Hyderabad, there is a government of PTI and MQM. So they need funds. MQM was there, but I've never supported MQM. The situation which Karachi faced in MQM era was like hell, was pathetic. So MQM is not interested in solving any sort of problems for Karachi. Instead, they were just creating different problems. I'm not going to discuss all those things which happened in MQM era. So People's Party is not interested in solving the problem of water sewerage in Karachi. Further, you asked one question about one more question, and that is about electricity issue. Okay, so electricity issue. Since I mentioned that there's one institution, one industry, or you can say one company that is running all the electricity or managing all the electricity of Karachi, and that is K Electric. So when there's only one company and there's no competitor, then there's a monopoly. Monopoly means they can set their standards, they can do whatever they want, but no one can challenge since you don't have any other option. Like when we used to have only PTCL and Ufone, there's no other same. So Ufone has their rates, PTCL had their rates, and everyone has to follow all their charges, all their rates, since there's no competition. But after some time, more telecommunication companies arrive in that market, like Jazz, like Warid, like Telenor, like Zong. So now any customer has a choice to select option. He has different options to select. So the companies are now competing and their prices are down. You can see the packages that are running, a different SMS package, different internet package. Initially, when we if we go back in 2002, 2003, 2004, there was like, if you just want a text message, if you want to send a message, you were charged, or you was being charged like 10 rupees for a message, for a single message, 10 rupees or 20 rupees. And now for today, if I talk about today, you can easily text like 1,000 messages in 20 rupees for to any network. So K Electric doesn't have any competitor, so they can set their standards and they can do whatever they want. They can charge whatever they want. They can do load sharing. And one more thing, there's not only K Electric. This is not on only on K Electric. In areas like in our area where we are living, we both, there's no load shedding at all. Since there's no thief of electricity, no one is using all those kunda system, you can say it. No one is using illegal electricity. So in the areas where thief of electricity is there, people are using illegal ways of getting electricity. They are charged, and load shedding is there, since they are trying to go against the law of K-Electric and against the law of Pakistan, and they are paying what they are doing. There's one, you can say, शेर वन शेर इन उर्दू, देखें दिन अपने ही गफलत की बदौलत, सच है कि बुरे काम का अंजाम बुरा है. ओवर टू.
So thank you so much, Shahrukh bhai, for your advice and sharing solving problem in Karachi. I wanna ask question from you. What is the responsibility in Karachi problems? So please take care our city, and after that, inshallah, we improve and develop our city, inshallah taala. After 5 years, 2 years, 1 years, inshallah taala, I will improve and develop, inshallah taala. And thank you so much, Shahrukh, for solving problem in Karachi. Thanks a lot. So viewers, if like this video, so please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.